Senior Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, Commanding Officer St. Andrew North Police Division. Earlier today, we had reports of a stabbing incident at Tile City, Constant Spring Road. Subsequently, we've learned that the injured man has succumbed to his injuries. I can tell you that the suspect is currently in the custody of the police, and the investigations are proceeding along the lines to treat with what has now become an incident of murder.
So is it the other co-workers are different?
At this time, I am not able to say whether they were co-workers or otherwise. I'm just aware of the incident and the subsequent death of the injured man.
Can you say the person was an employee of South City?
Not in a position to say at this time.